Drink this to reduce cholesterol and unclog arteries in 1 week. Garlic contains a bioactive compound called allicin, which reduces the production of bad cholesterol. Garlic also clears out clogged fat from arteries and is excellent at reducing blood pressure. Ginger is great for the functioning of the liver, increases metabolism, and regulates blood sugar levels. It also inhibits how much fat your gut absorbs and plays a major role in reducing cholesterol. Cinnamon speeds up metabolism and simultaneously increases insulin levels in the body. This prevents increased storage of fat and enables you to lower cholesterol levels. Lemons have high levels of flavonoids and vitamin C, which help lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. In addition to reducing bad cholesterol, this drink will also help you lose weight and avoid heart disease and stroke. Check our Insta for recipes.